What's up, guys? It's the Millionaire Mommy and Kaden, and in today's video, we're going shopping.
Hey, Sammy. In today's video, we are going shopping.
We going shopping. All right, everybody, so today is a whole different kind of video, and you know what? I know I look so crazy. I probably shouldn't even have to come out and say this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I started using retinol on my face and it burnt me, so you can see it here around my mouth, and my eyes look really dark. So we're working on fixing it. I've been seeing an esthetician, and Kaden, stop. I've been seeing an esthetician, and just really trying to be really minimal with the products that I use, so that hopefully it can heal my face, because I don't want to put makeup or anything on that will make the problem worse. So today we are going to the mall. I need some new shoes, so we're gonna go to the mall, and we are going to do that today. And, yeah, we're just gonna hang out today. So first, we got some work to do.
Like this.
What is he doing?
Joe. Give me bucket. Blue, give back. Give me back.
Blue. Hi, buddy. You cute with your shades. You don't want Sammy. You don't want to go nowhere?
Give it back to me before I keep.
No, don't take it off. Don't take it off. You're so cute with your shades. Come on, looking at me. Blue, you ready to go outside? You ready? Come on, let's go. He gonna act like he can't see. Knowing good and well he can see. That's why he looking at me out the corner of his eye. He can see.
Come on, Blue.
See? Told you he could see. I told y'all the dog could see. Y'all, he be faking us out. Like, he be faking us out so good. Okay, so Kaden and we did our work, majority of our work for today. We do need to do some language arts. Kaden is currently learning the structure of sentence. Well, how to structure a sentence. And he has the fact that it begins with a capital letter. He got that. And then he has where the punctuation goes, which is at the end of the sentence. Like, he got that good. He good at that. What you doing?
Boring stuff.
You doing boring stuff?
Yes.
You doing bad girls?
They're teaching us about personal budget and national budget.
Oh, wow. I thought we talked about this already.
We did.
Y'all, isn't it such a beautiful day outside? Can I show y'all? Isn't that pretty? Like, look at that sky. Isn't it beautiful? Y'all, I need to do my yard. Is that my dog? Is that my dog? I gotta go look. Come on, y'all.
Josephine!
Come on, go. He's trying to take the shades off. Sammy!
Josephine!
Blue.
He took them off.
No, you didn't take them shades off. Seriously?
Stop it, you're gonna break it. Yeah. You gotta spray them with it, so I sprayed them in the face.
Tell me why Blue ain't got no shades on.
Where they at? Oh, they right there.
And why Joe don't got
She
shoes
ran away
on?
when I turned on the
And why is your brother running through the water?
Crazy, crazy.
Y'all, that's my neighbor's fence right there. I am so disappointed in you. Hey,
You got scared.
you better not. Push it over there, because he need to step on it.
Oops.
Get your...
Oops, you can't come in the house.
Sammy?
Oops, you can't come in the
Sammy?
house. Oops, you can't come in the house.
How about that?
Your body big, boy.
Oops. Oops. Sorry. Oops. Sorry.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
No. Ah! It's okay.
It's recording, Sammy. The camera recording.
You seen it because
Why you wearing my
I'm finna
clothes?
be yaya today. Do you not see me? Look at me.
What are you doing?
Look at me.
Tell me
First of
why.
all, she wanna wear all my clothes, so I'm going with her clothes today. And now I'm her today. You not see me? Wait, look to my belly. I'm gonna do
You
what
got
she-
your fupa hanging out?
I'm gonna do what she do.
Hey y'all, so we are on our way to the outlet mall. Just Yaya and I. And y'all, it's so much traffic. Like, can y'all see this traffic? I am gonna do the best I can to show y'all this traffic, y'all. It's crazy. Look. I'm telling you, it is crazy. So we were just talking because we actually didn't eat. We left the house and we left the boys at home. Yay! Right, Yaya?
Why you do that? Why?
So we left the boys at home and it's just us. We came to Wesley Chapel because they have the Nike outlet, and I just didn't want to go to Ellington. We stay closer to Ellington, but I wanted to go to a different one. So we are literally down the street. It's just a whole bunch of traffic. So we will see y'all there so that we can go and get these shoes. Alrighty, so we are here. We finally made it. It's sunny as heck and it's hot. Yeah, I like these. I like those, and I like these. Oh, those are cute too. Ooh, right up my alley, y'all. All right, let's see. What are these called? What are they called? I hope they called the women's Nike Renew in season. I don't know what size I wear, but I'm typically a 10. So we're gonna try a 10. And look at me, this 10's right there in my face. I also like those. I feel like those are pretty light, like light in color. I did send Yaya over so that she could. Did you find something you like? You like these?
I think those are boys.
Do you like these? I think those are cute. You don't think those are cute? Well, I'm gonna try those, and you know I like black, so I might get 2 pair. Oh, these are nice. Those are cute too. Yeah, are these boys? Are those boys? I like those. They got a 10. Oh, this is their boys because they're youth. See? It's a Y. So you like those? What about those? You don't like those?
No. I like those.
Oh. Why don't you try them? So I like these. I think they're cute. They're really comfortable. I hope y'all can see them. Where's the mirror? Let's see how we do. So I didn't find any shoes that I like in the women's section. So we're gonna go look at the men's section and see if we can find some shoes that we like. So these look really comfortable, and these.
little tight.
How they look? Ugly?
No. Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like they're tight.
So we end up leaving the Nike outlet. I've seen some cute shoes that I like, but they just fit really, really tight, and I don't want to. I want to feel like there's nothing on my feet. So right now we're looking for the What are we looking for?
Adidas.
Yeah, we're looking for the Adidas store. What's that line about? You see all them people over there in line?
It look like Mr. Mango.
Ooh, Mr. Mango. We're not supposed to eat because we're gonna go eat after.
I didn't say I wanted that.
I did. Y'all, this music is so loud, but fingers crossed that I find my shoes. I like the cloud foam shoes. Ooh, those are cute. You found something you like?
Yes.
Those are cute.
They're $140. Why would
These ones, that's how much they are online, 140.
It says take an additional 30% off.
Oh.
What is that?
I don't know. You have to figure it out. All right, everybody, so it did not work out at the outlet mall, but we are going inside of Raining Berries Cafe, and we're gonna get us some. Oh, I don't got my mask, and I left my mask. We're gonna get us some goodies. I don't know, how are we like a year into this situation and I keep forgetting to put on this dang on mask. Ugh. Y'all, I hope they got something good. We done went to Pollo Tropical. They were closed. We went to, what was the place over there we went to? Something on Whiskey's. Walk On. That was trash. I hope Raining Berries got what we need. Let's go. Hi there. So I will take a passion berry smoothie. And what you want? Are the acai bowls sweet?
Yes. Do you want to try some of these?
Please. That's so nice of you. Thank you. I feel like I look sweaty. Oh, thank you so much. I guess I gotta pull this down, huh? That's better than what's at Target. That's what you should do. This should be a thumbnail.
Okay, go in, Mom.
And do what?
And do something.
Ordering food. We were just gonna order a drink, and I thought this place was ice cream, but anyway, they serve acai bowls and smoothies, and so Yaya ended up getting. Yaya, that looks good.
I know. What did you get? It has mango, kiwi, coconut flakes, honey.
Oh my God, hers. She got. It's called On Island Time, and I got. What did I get? The acai berry. So I have coconut flakes, I got strawberries, blueberries, banana, and some other stuff, minus the chocolate chips. But it looks so good. Like, this is so Instagram worthy.
I took chocolate chips on there.
What you mean?
Cause
Ooh, I got granola flakes. Oh, they did put chocolate in here. Oops, I lost the blueberry. It's okay. Ooh, I got peanut butter. That's crazy. That looks so disgusting, don't it? But it's peanut butter, banana, blueberry, acai, granola, and coconut flakes.
but you gotta try mine.
And I got a smoothie. Alright guys, so I think this is the end of our video. I am so sorry that it did not work out the way we planned. We meant to get shoes and just do some shopping, and they just didn't have what we wanted today. So we will get shoes and we will finish our shopping. We'll just have to do it online because the stores didn't have what we wanted. So we thank you as always for watching our videos, and we hope that you would consider liking. You're not gonna tell them?
Wait, I gotta remember. Comment and subscribe. Turn on post notifications.
Who are you talking to?
Everybody.
Not them. You talking to your food.
Well, my food looks good.
So we hope that you consider subscribing to our channel or to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I hope that you consider to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and turn on those post notifications so that next time I upload you will be notified. Anyways guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video or this vlog, and we will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.